Yeah.
Oh.
Just throw it in the bag. Yep. Just throw it in the bag. Yep. Throw it in the bag. Yep. Gabby throwing it in the bag. Gabbo been shopping today because she been good in school, making good grades. Yeah. And so she got treated today. Justice. Now she trying on Brina's shoes. Them big old feet. And she gonna rock them shoes in a second, y'all. Let her put them on. Go on, put them on. Just put it in the bag. Yep. Just put it in the bag. Gabby.
I won. Radford.
Because you did good in school.
Yep, for the whole 3 weeks.
And she made the first 100 on the test in school.
Yep.
She was the first one to get 100% right.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So tell them, Gabbo. Tell them peace and tell them who you work for.
I'm one half of RadfordHomes LLC, and I work for RadfordHomes LLC, and you can reach us at 863-410-0877. Salute all veterans.
Yeah!